Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, April 21st, and this is my recap of the top videos from Friday. And on Friday, the pound US dollar came in number 2, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis on the pound dollar, make sure you check out the video from Friday morning, linked at the end of this video over here. So, pound dollar definitely did have another lower high, and another very nice push down. This is a really good example of why just because you see at least 5 waves down and that 3, 4, 5 shape at the bottom does not mean that the trend is over, because what happened? Continued to make lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, and just kept on trending down. There was never a confirmation that this move down was over with a breaker structure to the upside. So I personally would have been looking for shorts through this whole period. Now I would expect it to go down to at least a 61.8, so I would definitely still be looking for shorts on these shorter time frames especially. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, linked down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to the daily live trading sessions and gives you access to my swing trade setups by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.